There's a world parallel to ours, populated by legendary creatures called Gormitis. But the stability of this world is threatened by the dark forces of fire Gormitis. According to legend, only 4 heroes empowered with exceptional abilities can save Gorm.
No way! That's mine!
It's mine now.
Haha! That's what you think!
Just a catch.
Got it.
Oh man!
4 kids, apparently like all others. But Nick, Toby, Jessica, and Lucas have been chosen. When Gorm is in danger, so is Earth. Only our heroes can transform into the lords of nature and save both worlds. Their mission: save the Gormitis and save the world. Gormiti, the Lords of Nature return. Brought to you by Marathon.